How to delete my AI on Snapchat. If you have Snapchat Plus, you can easily unpin or remove My AI completely. Open your Snapchat app. Make sure you're logged into the Snapchat Plus account. Then go to the chat screen. In this, select My AI Chat. Tap and hold it until a menu will pop up. Click on Chat and Notification Settings. Here, you see two options: Clear from Chat Feed and Unpin Conversion. If you want to unpin, click on the Unpin Conversion. If you want to clear from the chat, click on Clear from Chat Feed, then click on Clear. However, if you don't have this subscription, you can only delete and clear the data sent to My AI. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Look for the Settings gear icon in the top right corner and tap on it. Scroll down until you find the Account Action section. Here, tap on Clear My AI Data. Click on Confirm. That's it.